1 in 3 American adults have no dental coverage, and we've been highlighting the work of the Interfaith Dental Clinic, a nonprofit that provides affordable dental care to more than 1,200 uninsured patients each year. My guest is Jeff McCormick. He's the Senior Director of Stewardship at Interfaith Dental. And before we went to the break, we were talking about the program that you all have to help our seniors put smiles on their faces.
That's right.
But you also work with moms, and you have a wellness baby care program.
Absolutely, yeah. So for us, you know, our very first dollar is well spent on a mom who's pregnant. Because you think about it, not only does it affect her health, right, which we know is so important, we know it's affecting baby's health. And there's actually some great studies out there that show that if you've got oral disease, you can actually have preterm labor. And so getting her all the way well, has a healthy delivery, healthy baby, and then through that first year of baby being born, we're continuing to get her well, and to have that baby's have that first visit breaks that generational cycle of dental disease, because it is a generational cycle. It can go from one to the next, because the first thing mom does, right, is kiss on baby, right? And if you've got oral disease, you're gonna pass that. And so we want to really make sure that she's all the way well to kind of make sure baby's well. And then most of them get really excited about brushing baby's teeth, you know, which is a good thing. So
yes. Do we also teach? Do we have our professionals that are working with these folks help them just basically, you know, with toothbrushes and floss and make sure they know the proper way to brush?
Absolutely. What makes our program really unique is for moms and for all of our patients, we're doing the needed care, but we're wrapping that around with education, motivation, inspiration, because we want that dollar, you know, somebody who invests in our mission to really matter and stick with that person, because we can get somebody well, but if you don't teach them how to keep it well, you're just going to be back there again. And so that's a huge part of our stuff, giving them all the supplies they need, get them the inspiration they need, teaching them one-on-one, because you think, like, we all know how to brush, but actually we can all brush better and learn better, right? And, you know, just working there myself, I brush and floss a little better, you know?
Yes, exactly.
So it's an important thing.
Exactly. So are you encouraging these folks, because with normally I do try to go every 6 months to my dentist to get my teeth cleaned. Is that the case with these folks? Are they going every 6 months?
That's a great question. So most of our patients are coming more than that, because their disease is so elevated that we're trying to really stop that and get them going, right? And so you can see, you know, most people are coming about on average 4 times a year, some even more than that. And so our ultimate goal is to be just like you said, right? We've got them all the way well. We've taught them what it means to maintain it. They get put in our wellness program, and they can just continue on with cleanings, just like maybe you and I might do. And that is the ultimate goal, and all of them get there. But initially as a patient, it's quite a few times to get it all the way there. I
didn't really stop to think about that, because most of the people who probably come to you have some pretty severe
maybe they haven't been to the dentist in years. I've met patients who says, you know, I've never been to the dentist. And so it's okay. We step in and make it all better and teach them what they need for lifetime care. Yeah,
because when it comes to trying to figure out, okay, do I buy bread today or do I try to go to the dentist?
Exactly. And those are the issues people are really struggling with, right? Here in Nashville, we know that, you know, half the people are living in living wage poverty. It's out there, right? And so they're making those hard decisions. And so we want to offer an affordable option for them to get that care, so they're not saying, is it bread or oral health care? It's both. Right? And we can make that happen.
And I love that. And you also help seniors get to you, so I love that.
Absolutely.
The transportation component of that is also good as well. For folks who believe in your mission, and so often there's a nonprofit such as Interfaith Dental that we believe in your mission, and we want to leave something for you when we're no longer here. You also have the Tooth Fairy Fund? Is that what it's called?
So, you know, we've been around for 28 years now, and so it makes you start to think about, how are we going to continue this work long term, right? Because it's such important. We've seen such great strides over those years, but as our city grows, need continues to grow. So people can donate every single day, but some people want to say, I want to donate to the endowment fund, and that's our Tooth Fairy Fund. And that endowment fund is going to serve us for many years to come. Helps people say, I want to leave legacy far beyond I'm gone. So it's things like just a general donation to it, but wills, bequests, all those different, you know, factors and things. You work with a financial planner, and so it's kind of a fun name for us, right? The Tooth Fairy Fund. And it makes sense, right? We're trying to give people that oral health care, and we would love to grant everybody's wish for a healthy smile. And so yeah, we have established that, and we're excited about that.
And I know you all have ongoing fundraising events throughout the year.
We do.
I recently went to a wonderful breakfast, and you all recognize some of the dentists and some of those providers, those healthcare providers that have just really done great work for you.
Absolutely. Well, first, thank you for coming to the breakfast.
Yes.
We were so glad to have you. And yeah, so that, you know, it takes the whole community to make it happen. Dentists, as you can imagine, are a huge piece of that, being volunteer supporters and givers. And so we do honor those who go above and beyond at that breakfast. That's a great thing. But we've got also typical fundraisers throughout the year, and golf tournaments and all these kind of things. Our big gala is coming up in March. And so it's a themed gala over there. This year's James Bond themed. So it's 007, A License to Smile.
I love that. I want to talk more. Jeff, we got to take a break, but when we come back, we'll have more on Interfaith Dental Clinic, so stay with us.